Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share with you step by step how you can easily fix Google Chrome if it's simply not opening. With that said, let's head over to my screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. So here's what happened, guys. Very often when Google Chrome has a lot of files in the background running, this can literally cause it to crash, and this can cause it to be corrupted, and when you're trying to open it, it will simply not open. So like myself, as you can see, I have a lot of windows open and I have multiple Chrome open. And this can really cause this to happen over time. And if that happens and you try to open up Google Chrome, this can cause it to not open and have files be corrupted. But in my case, I am working on a lot of stuff. And I know this is a very common behavior for people like myself who are working on a lot of projects and have a lot of things going on, and then Google Chrome will simply crash. And that's why I'm going to show you how to fix this. So the first thing you want to do is just simply click Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard and go to Task Manager. Or if you don't do that, you can simply right click on this Windows icon here and simply go to Task Manager and from your taskbar, and you will literally see it. So once you do that, you will see that you have Google Chrome in the processes here. So what you want to do is simply click on those processes and simply click on End Task right here. Or you can right click on it and simply click End Task. Once you do this, you also want to ensure that you scroll down in the list to ensure that you see no more Google Chrome processes running. And if you do, you simply want to kill those tasks as well. Once this is done, find the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. And you want to right click on that and simply go to Open File Locations. Now once you do this, you want to simply rename this file, and you can just simply call it like Google Chrome New and just change it. It will prompt you. If you want to do this, you simply go ahead and choose yes. Right click on the icon again, show more options, and simply go to Send to and choose Send to Desktop. This will send a brand new shortcut to your desktop, and all you have to do is just simply delete the previous one that you have, and then you can simply open up this one, and this will open up Google Chrome normally without any issues, and this should literally fix your problem. I really hope that you found this short tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to Drew Tutorial, go ahead, hit the subscribe button below. It is free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every single week, just like this one. See you next time.